Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, let's take a look again on the gold market. So you can see that yesterday we've got some downward action on the gold market, actually the same as in the euro currency, although in the other markets not as strong action has happened. So that is really big assistance to those of you who have made the decision taking the short position based on the grubber. So just to not repeat everything that we have said yesterday, or better to say in the weekend, we said that you could, for instance, do not wait when data will be released, but you could try to anticipate using this grubber, the pattern for position taking, and place a stop somewhere more extended, just to be not washed out during the data release. Now, as downward action has started, maybe you could move stops to the break-even or make some other position management to minimize your risk. But at the same time, despite that we've got this nicely looking downward action, overall situation in lower time frames still remains tricky by the few reasons. First of all, is of course what we said in Euro video today. We also there considered few tricky moments on different assets in stock market, Great British pound, euro currency, and it seems that all markets just keep some door open for upward action. On the gold market as well, so take a look what we've got. That was recent downward action. But at the same time, it absolutely doesn't break the shape of the free drive pattern that we talked about. It's very extended, and we're waiting when this target finally will be completed, or maybe it will be raised or something. But market is going and going with this pattern, keeping perfectly the ratios and keeping these targets 18 and 23. And the recent drop, let's take a look. It might be just part of the butterfly that will finally complete that free drive pattern. It very often happens when the free drive takes the part of the two side-by-side butterflies. It's a very common thing. And that also really could happen, and that's why the reason why I'm calling you, if you're taking the short position based on the grabber, move stops to the break-even or to minimize your risks. Just because this really could happen is because we see some chances that the same action could happen on other assets as well. So I mean the euro currency and some other markets, gold might be not an exception. So actually it also would keep going higher. Besides, if you'll take a look at the lower time frame, so on the hourly chart, you can see what the shape of this retracement is. It's actually ABCD, and market has completed the Gartler's triple to buy. Now, as you can see, upward action, some upward action is happening. So from that standpoint, as I said previously, I'm not ready yet for taking the short position if you're trying to get more or less best entry. So currently on the daily chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not have just sufficient context justifying the taking the short position immediately, especially while the free drive is still stands valid. It is not erased yet. So if we will get the downward action erasing the second drive as a sharp drop, well, that open road for possible head and shoulders instead. This might be shoulder head, next shoulder, and that will be quite different story. But at this point, in the way how market behaves right now, I prefer to not hurry up to taking the short position and see what will happen, because this is not a natural performance for bearish market. So when the market stands bearish, it behaves usually differently. This is not the way how a bearish market should behave, and that makes me worry, and that makes me to stay aside from the taking immediate short position by far.